channel Accounts with Amit sir. In previous class, I told you about the chapter of material, and in material chapter the formula of EOQ, that is economic ordering quantity, and other two formulas related to EOQ, that is number of order per year and time between two consecutive order. Today class I tell you a very important sum which is related in EOQ. Please note down the sum. This is the sum, problem number 14 of Basu and Das Cost and Management Accounting books. The sum is annual consumption 12,000 unit in 360 days. Note down. Cost per unit rupee 1, ordering cost rupees 12 per order, inventory carrying charges 20%, normal lead time 15 days, safety stock 30 days consumption. That is the sum. From this sum, problem number 14, you find out at first EOQ. Problem number 14, Basu and Das Cost and Management Accounting, EOQ. At first you find out EOQ. The formula is 2 into CO into O divided by CC. Here CO, annual consumption 12,000 unit in 360 days. So 2 into 12,000 into O means ordering cost of placing an order, that is rupees 12 per order, into 2 divided by CC. CC means carrying cost of 1 unit including interest. Here inventory ordering charges 20% and cost per unit rupee 1. So CC is 20% of rupee 1. Therefore you calculate it, root over 2 into 12,000 into 12, that is 12 into 2, 25,000 into 12 divided by 20% of rupee 1, that is 0.20. That comes 1200 units. You remember, always EOQ's answer is come in unit, not in rupees. So the answer is 1200 units. Then question number 2. When should the order be placed? This is very important and it comes in several exams in several times. When should the order be placed? Here the safety stock is 30 days and normal lead time 15 days. When should the order be placed? For calculating, we find out at first reorder level. When should the order be placed? We find out at first reorder level. The formula is safety stock plus lead time consumption. Note down, safety stock plus lead time consumption. Here safety stock is 30 days and lead time consumption is 15 days. Therefore it will be 45 days. Safety stock plus lead time consumption equals to reorder level. At first you calculate for find out the formula when should the order be placed. Annual consumption 12,000 unit. Here given annual consumption 12,000 unit in 360 days. You apply in unitary method in 360 days annual consumption is 12,000 unit. Therefore, in one day annual consumption is 12,000 divided by 360. Therefore, reorder level we find out earlier 30 days plus 15 days safety stock plus lead time consumption, that is 45 days. Annual consumption is 12,000 divided by 360 into 45. That after calculating the answer is 1500 units. 1500 units. So when should the order be placed? Hence the order placed when the stock level reaches 1500 units, then the order should be placed. When the stock level reaches 1500 units, then the order will be placed. Question number 9. What should be the ideal inventory level? Ideal inventory level. This is also very important. What should the ideal inventory level? Here we also apply the unitary method. In 360 days, annual consumption is 12,000 unit. Therefore, in one day, annual consumption 12,000 divided by 360. Therefore, in 30 days, here we take, for find out what should be the ideal inventory level, only we take the safety stock, that is 30 days. So in 360 days annual consumption is 12,000 unit. In one day 12,000 divided by 360. In 30 days, that is only safety stock, the annual consumption is 12,000 divided by 360 into 30. The answer will come 100 units. The answer will come 1000 units. What should be the ideal inventory level? Here we only take the safety stock, that is 30 days. In 360 days annual consumption is 12,000 unit. In one day 12,000 divided by 360. In 30 days 12,000 divided by 360 into 30, that is 1000 unit. So the problem number 14, formula number 1, EOQ, we calculate root over 2 into CO into O divided by CC, that is the answer is 1200 units. When should the order be placed? Reorder level, at first find out reorder level, that is safety stock, formula of reorder level, safety stock 30 days plus lead time consumption 15 days, that is 45 days. So after that, in 360 days the annual consumption is 12,000 unit, it will be given in the problem. So unitary method is applied. In one day annual consumption is 12,000 divided by 360. So therefore in 45 days annual consumption is 12,000 divided by 360 into 45, it will become in 1500 units. So when the stock level reaches 1500 unit, then the order should be placed. This is very important. Next, number 3, what should be the ideal inventory level? For calculating ideal inventory level, we only taken safety stock. We only take safety stock, not lead time. In 360 days annual consumption is 12,000 unit. In one days 12,000 divided by 360. In 30 days 12,000 divided by 360 into 30, that is the answer is 1000 unit. So the ideal inventory level is 1000 unit. At last we find out formula number 4, number of order. Number of order. In earlier class I told you the formula of number of order is annual consumption divided by EOQ. That is, annual consumption is 12,000 unit divided by EOQ is 1200 unit. So it will be 10 times. So it will be 10 times. Number of order, that is annual demand, that is annual consumption. Here the annual consumption is 12,000 unit and divided by EOQ. We earlier found EOQ is, you see, 1200 unit. So the formula is number of order in a year, annual consumption, that is 12,000 unit divided by EOQ 1200 unit. 12,000 divided by 1200, the 10 times. So this is the problem of Basu and Das, problem number 14. This is very important and several times it comes in our various type of examination, cost and management, and class 11 also. If you are new in my channel, please like, share and subscribe and see the video in full from beginning to an end, because very important information and very regarding information and formula is behind it. Okay, thank you.